मातुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Class 10 July. Hello children, this is Abhinaya, a Carnatic vocal teacher. Today we are going to learn about the concept of gamakas in film songs. In film songs, gamakas serve a different purpose. It is a kind of decoration which is used in film songs. There are different types of gamakas in film songs. For example, sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. This is stressed on the note. This is one kind of gamaka which is used in film songs. And sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. More stress on the note. This is another type of gamaka. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. From low note to high note. This is another type of another type of gamaka in film songs. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. From high note to low note. This is one type of gamaka. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. This is like a flash type of gamaka in film songs. These are some types of gamakas which are widely used in film songs. So gamakas are basically used for as a kind of decoration in film songs. And for example, I'll sing some film songs with gamakas in them. That's a gamaka. That is a wavy gamaka. That is a wavy gamaka. And that is a double gamaka. So these are some gamakas in music. Hope you like the class. See you in the next class. Bye. Hello children. Today we are going to see the life history of Shyama Shastri. Shyama Shastri was born on 26th April 1762 in Tiruvallur. He learned music from his maternal uncle. He was later trained in music by Adiyapayya, a noted darbar musician of Thanjavur. Although Shyama Shastrivel did not compose as many kritis as his contemporaries, his compositions are still well known for their literary, melodic and rhythmic proficiency. he has composed almost 300 pieces of songs in all. He has composed many kritis in Tamil. Most of his compositions are about goddess Kamakshi. He was a devotee of goddess Kamakshi. Uh, Shyama Sastrigal died in Tanjavur in the year 1827. He had two sons, Panju Shastri and Subrava Shastri. They both were musicians, and at his one of his sons was a disciple of Saint Tyagaraja. He had an adopted grandson as well, who was also a musician. So he was one of the finest. Shyama Sastrigal was one of the finest composers Carnatic music can ever have. He has given many gems to Carnatic music. Hope you like the class. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Hello, children. Today we are going to see some of the compositions of Shyama Sastrigal. As I told you earlier, he was a very prolific and an eminent composer of Indian classical music. Even though he has not composed as many songs as his contemporaries, he was very best at whatever he had done. He has composed nearly 300 songs in his lifetime. So some of his known compositions are Kamakshi Anudinamu, Ragam Bhairavi, Kamakshi Nipadayugami, Ragam Idukula Kambuji, Anakasalli Viharani, Ragam Punnagavanani. These are some of his compositions, known compositions in Carnatic music. He was really a great contributor to Carnatic music. He has dedicated his life to Carnatic music. So these are some of the compositions of Shyama Sastry. So see you in the next class. Bye bye. I'm going to tell you some tips to smoothen your voice. We have seen a lot of warm-up exercises. We have seen the exercises using vericize and other stuff, but these are some tips which you can take up to always keep your voice under control. So always, tip number 1, always drink warm water. Drink warm milk with turmeric powder at night before you go to sleep. Try to avoid screaming and whispering. Both screaming and whispering are bad for your voice. So these, when you practice screaming and whispering, they definitely will damage your voice. If you keep on screaming and whisper, it will definitely damage your voice. Avoid junk food, cool drinks and ice creams. They damage your vocal cord. They are not good for your vocal cord. And so if you have ice creams or cool drinks frequently, that will definitely change your texture of voice. Your pitching will start to decrease and the tone of your voice will start to change. So these are some tips which you can follow in your lifestyle to maintain your voice to become a successful singer in the future. Hope you liked the class. See you in the next class. Bye bye.